Find x of t in terms of g of t. Find x of t in terms of g of t. Given x of t is this is x of t. This is your g of t. We need to write x of t in terms of g of t. Okay. We'll have a standard equation. Let x of t is equal to g1 of t plus g2 of t plus g3 of t we need to find. Okay, what is g1 of t? First case will be from 0 to 1. See here, this I am going to split the x of t. First, every time we have to take first will be from 0 to next consecutive time slot from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. In the last two problems, the rising edge of a staircase we have. This is falling edge of the staircase. Rising edge we have to take from 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 0 to 1 like that. But it's a falling edge. So that we have to take first 0 to 1, then 0 to 2, then 0 to 3. This is second one, this is third one, this is first one. Okay, now I will find first one g1 of t. First one g1 of t. Use this and this g of t, and this is your x of t. In the x of t, we are going to split first signal x of t, x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t. So that I will consider first one. Okay, g1 of t is equal to g of at plus b. This is the standard equation for your shifting and scaling. See, those who are not attending yesterday class, please go through once. A is equal to g of t by x of t. By this equation, we need to find a and b value. I'm going to find a value. A is equal to g of t by x of t. G of t means upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit minus of lower limit will be minus 1. And I'm going to consider this one, first one, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So that you will get 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. A value will be 2. Next, I'm going to substitute g1 of t is equal to g of 2t plus b I'm going to get. Next, consider 2t plus b is equal to 0. Then b is equal to minus 2 times of t. Now I need to find the value of t. I need to find the value of t. How I am going to find the value of t? I'm going to take the mid value of your first signal, x of t signal. Mid value of, I will take here, mid value of x of t. X of t will be from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. What is the mid value? If you are unable to find, 0 plus 1 divided by 2, you'll get 1 by 2 is the mid value. Next, substitute t value here, 1 by 2. B is equal to minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. You'll get minus 1. If I'm going to substitute these two values in the given equation, your g1 of t is equal to g of 2t minus 1 you are going to get. If you want to cross check this, take the limits from minus 1 less than t less than 1. Okay, first replace t by t minus 1. What we got the equation, replace minus 1 less than t minus 1 less than or equal to 1. replace t by t minus 1. Now I need to eliminate minus 1 throughout the signal. I need t, so that I will make this as a plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2. I am going to get minus 1 plus 1 will get 0 less than t less than 2. Now t is replaced by 2t. 0 less than or equal to 2t less than or equal to 2. Okay, now I need to get divided by 2. 0 by 2, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. I have considered the signal of g of t. Signal of g of t. I have substituted the value that what I got g of t. For first case, I got 0 to 1. Whichever I have considered for the original equation. I got the same limits here, so that whatever we got the equation, that will be holds good. Got everyone? Like that, you have to consider g of t for the next case, then find for g2 of t. g2 of t is equal to g of at plus b. Here g of t will be same, then x of t will be limits from 0 to 2 for the second case. Find the equation for g2 of t, then cross verify whether you will get or not, you have to check. Then for the third case, g3 of t is equal to g of at plus b. Again g of t by x of t, g of t will be same, then x of t will be third case. Consider this. Okay, for this you have to find for mid value 0, 2, mid value will be 1, 0, 3, mid value will be 3 by 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. 0 plus 3 divided by 2, you will get 3 by 2. Like that, we need to find the mid value. Mid value will be substituted with respect to t, you will get a b value. Like that, you have to find for both g2 of t, g3 of t. Then finally, you have to write x of t is equal to what we got first one, g of 2t minus 1 plus g of t minus 1 plus g of 2 by 3t minus 1 you are going to get. Try for second and third. If you have doubts, please ask me. %, one question you are going to get like this for 8 marks. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Those who are absent for yesterday class, please.
Sir, can you explain again, sir?
Sorry?
Can you explain again, sir? G1
okay. Okay, I will explain. See here, this is a standard equation. X of t is equal to g1 of t plus g2 of t plus g3 of t. First we need to find g1 of t. For g1 of t, I need to consider g1 of t is equal to g of at plus b. This is a standard equation for shifting and scaling. First we need to shift, then we are going to scale. Here I need to find a and b value. How to find a value? A is equal to, we have a standard equation, g of t by x of t. In the g of t, this is my g of t. In that I need to take upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit will be 1, lower limit will be minus 1. Upper limit minus of lower limit, minus of minus 1. You will get 2. Then x of t. Here I have divided the x of t for the time slot. 0 to 1 is a 1 time slot, amplitude of 3. From 0 to 2 is a amplitude of 2, and 0 to 3 amplitude of 1. I am going to divide 3 different time slots like this. Okay, from 0 to 1 this one, from 0 to 2 these two, from 0 to 3 this one. I am going to consider x of t. X of t is equal to upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0, 1 minus 0. So that you got 2. 2 by 1, you will get 2 for the A. Now substitute G1 of t is equal to G of AT plus B. A value will be 2. 2t plus B we got. Now I need to find B value. I need to find B value. I will make use of this equation. I am going to equate this equation to 0. 2t plus B is equal to 0. Then B is equal to minus 2t I got. I need to find t value. Okay. I will make use of x of t. Okay. I have used x of t limits will be 0 to 1. I need to find the mid value of this. 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What is the middle value of 0 and 1? 1 by 2 you will get. If you are going to confuse with respect to that, you just take 0 plus 1 divided by 2. If it is 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 0 plus 3 divided by 2. That is your mid value. If you want, you can check. You will get 1 by 2 is a middle value. Now substitute t is equal to this middle value minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, you will get minus 1. This is your B value. So that you will get G of 2t minus 1. Okay. This is enough. We got the equation for G1 of t. Then we go for G2 of t, then G3 of t. But whether we got correct or not, we are going to cross check. First use the limits of G of t. Then here we have a first shifting we have to use t minus 1. Shifting will be substitute in this equation. Then we'll get one limit from 0 to 2. Then we are going to take the scaling. Shifting and scaling. Scaling will be 2t. 2t will be substitute. Then you will get by using g of t. Finally, we will got x of t. Then the given equation will be correct. Like that, we are going to cross check.
Yes, sir.
Then find for second and third one G2 of t and G3 of t. Over.
Yes, sir.
Got everyone.
Yes, sir.
Got same answer. X of t is equal to G of 2t minus 1 plus G of t minus 1 plus G of 2 by 3t minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you try next problem? Try this problem. I will change the g of t. X of t is same. This is your x of t. Then g of t will be. See, they can change the limits and they can change the x of t. However they want, they can change 0 to 2. Use same procedure, 100% you will get the answer. Don't worry. Try this problem. X of t will be split as usual in the same. First case 0 to 1, second case 0 to 2, third case 0 to 3. See your class B section, many of them are not regular to the classes. Please be careful. You cannot escape like second semester exams. How they did in the third semester. They will do everything online. Then finally 1 month they are telling to come to college. All of a sudden they will give the exam. Okay. It's very difficult, problematic subjects. In the fourth semester, it's very difficult to pass the subject without knowing the concepts. Please try to understand. Attend the classes regularly. I know it's difficult to sit for 7 hours per day and all 7 days in 5 days in the week, but no other choice you have. If you cross this fourth semester, then it's very easy. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Very difficult to cross this third and fourth. What is G1 of t? See, it's very easy. X of t is from 0 to 1. G of t is from 0 to 2. ಈಗ 0 to 1 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 0 to 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What we have to do? Multiply by t. Multiply by 2 for the t. X of t ಗೆ x of t 0 to 1 ಇದೆ. 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ g of t ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 2 times increase ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? g of 2t. See, all you are going to split the 3 different signals of x of t. X of t will be split from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3. Each one you are going to write in terms of g of t. G of t ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ತರ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. Got the answer, everyone? ಏ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೋ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
Yes, sir.
ಲೋ ನೀನು ಒಬ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡು ಶಿಶಿರ. ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಪಾಪ ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯಗಳು ಮುತ್ತುಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಉದ್ರೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೇನೋ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೇನ್ರಿ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್? ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಬೈದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಯೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು. ನೀಲೇಶ್ ರಾಜ್, ನಿತುಶ್ರೀ, ಫಣೀಂದ್ರ, ಮನೋಜ್ ದೀಪ್,
Yes, sir.
can you show me the answer?
Sir, still doing.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ತೋರ್ಸೋ.
Sir, G1 of T A I got 2, sir.
Completed, sir.
Nisha, show me the answer. What is the standard equation you are going to use for G1 of T, G2 of T and G3 of T? See, you people are not at all understanding. Now I got to know.
G of 80 plus
G of 80.
G of
80.
plus B.
why only 80?
So G of 80 plus B, sir.
Plus B, sir.
Why you required plus B? What is the meaning of plus B?
Sir, it is in form of mx plus c.
Hey, mx plus c straight line equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. See, you are representing x of t in terms of g of t, no? Question and re question first problem ga kottidinala. You have to represent x of t in terms of g of t. Means if your g of t will be in the positive side 0 to 2, your x of t will be also in the positive side 0 to 3 in this problem. But in the case of last problems, x of t will be in the positive side 0 to 3 or 4, but g of t will be from -1 to 1. Now we have to represent this with respect to this. We need to shifting property we required. Why? Because it will be from -1 to +1. This is we required shifting property. We need to use. Why? Because one will be from minus to plus, another will be in the only positive cycle, positive side. But in this problem, both x of t as well as g of t in the positive side. No need of shifting, just scaling. Just we want scaling. That is why no need of g of at plus b. Here for this problem we required only g of at. Just find for a value for all three cases, then it will be fine. If for example this is the x of t, if I am going to give from -2 to +2, now this signal is for both positive and negative. This is only positive. Now we require shifting property either from x of t to g of t, g of t to x of t. We want to move the signal, then only we are going to get in terms of g of t, no? That time you have to take g of at plus b. If both the signals are in positive side, only g of at. If both the signals are in negative side, g of at. No need of shifting. That you have to understand. Got everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now try. ನಾನು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತೀರಲ್ರಿ ಶಿಶಿರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರ. This amplitude 3, 2, 1 x of t. This is your g of t. Sorry, +1. Now I'm going to split the x of t. First case -1 to +1 is the first case. Okay. Then second case will be -2 to +2. -2 to +2. This is our second case. Third case will be -3 to +3. Now, can you tell me the relation for g of t? Whether we need to
So
use
g of t is equal to g1 of t.
Okay, x of t is equal to g1 of t plus g2 of t plus g3 of t. Can you tell me g1 of t, g2 of t, g3 of t standard
G of
equation?
AT, sir.
G of at. How many are telling that it is g of at and how many are telling that
G of AT.
Only g of at
Yes, sir.
for all the cases? For all the cases? Yes. Here g of at. Why? Because no shifting property. Why? Because the g of t will be from -1 to +1. Here also first signal will be same as your g of t. Directly we can write that g1 of t is equal to g of at. g1 of t is equal to g of t we can write. Then second signal is also from -2 to +2. Either it may be compression, either it may be expansion. We need compression. So that no need of shifting. Third signal also no need of shifting. Compression. All second and third one will be compressed version. We need to compress these equations. Okay. That is why no need of g of at plus b. Only g of at. No shifting property we are going to use. Only scaling we are going to use. That is why you have to use g of at for all the cases. 3 cases. Last problem, g of 2t plus g of t plus g of 2 by 3t. Got everyone? Got the solution for last problem?
Yes, sir.
Then try for this one.
Sir, g1 of t plus
g1 of t.
so g1 of t plus g2 of 1 by 2t plus g3 of 1 by 3t.
Yes, correct. Got everyone? Or
Yes, sir.
shall we move to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these
Yes, sir.
I think 6 problems we have solved based on that type. All 6 is very, very important. Please go through once. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask. Take next problem. Sketch problem number 120, I think 121. Sketch x of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 4. You have to sketch the signal for x of n by make use of u of n minus of u of n minus 4. How to sketch the signal? You know u of n condition? This is my u of n. U of n is equal to 1 when n is greater than or equal to 0. 0 for other conditions. Am I right? U of n is equal to 1 when n is greater than or equal to 0. Means from the sample 1 to infinity we have amplitude of 1. It is like u of t, unit step function. This is discrete. That is why u of n is equal to 1 when n is greater than or equal to 0. 0 for other conditions. Now, what I will do, I will sketch the signal for u of n. This is my sketching signal. Okay. Now, u of n I am going to sketch. This will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. This is with respect to n. Why? Because this is the discrete signal. Okay, based on the equation of this u of n is equal to 1 when n is greater than or equal to 0. This is my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Amplitude will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on. This is my u of n. This will be ends at infinity. Based on the condition of this, n is greater than or equal to 0. It will be 1. Less than 0, it will be 0. In the negative infinity, it will be 0. Now, we got u of n. I need u of n minus 4. You don't consider this negative. Just find for u of n minus 4. U of n minus 4. Only shifting property is required. This is n sample. This is my signal. This is your u of n minus 4. Now I will take the original signal u of n. Why? Because I am going to find u of n minus 4 by make use of your original signal. That original signal is vary from 0 to n from infinity, from 0 to infinity, n will be lies. N is replaced by n minus 4. Now 0 less than or equal to n minus 4 less than or equal to infinity. In the next step, I need n. Add 4 to throughout the equation so that 0 plus 4 0 plus 4 less than or equal to n, sorry, n minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to infinity plus 4. Minus n gets cancelled. 4 less than or equal to n. Infinity plus 4. N
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay. Now the signal n minus 4 is vary from plus 4 to infinity. Means here we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. The signal n will be vary from 4 to infinity. Here I have 4, 5, 6, so on infinity. I'm going to get infinity. Now, what is your answer? What is your question? We want x of t. We want x of t. This is your x of t. What is x of t? U of n minus of u of n minus 4. This is your u of n. This is your u of n minus 4. Subtract. At 0, we have 1 minus of 0. You will get
1.
1. At 1, 1 minus 0.
So till 3 will get same.
1. At 2, 1. At 3, 1. After 4, it will be 0. 4, 5, 6, so on. You will get 0. This is your x of t. Got everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this is amplitude is 1. Then you have only 2 signal u of n minus of u of n minus 4. Sometimes they will ask 3 different signals, u of t, r of t, like that different signals with respect to different amplitudes, and it will be lengthy. At that time, how you are going to find? Okay, we'll have one shortcut method. I will explain. See here. Shall I rub this one left side? Shall I rub this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will use one shortcut method. You see once. In class, we'll discuss problems based on that only. What is the equation we have? X of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 4. Okay. Now, this is your u of n. Initially, this will be 0. Am I right? This is 0. This is 4. N minus 4. What I will do, I am going to equate this with respect to 0. N is equal to 0. This I am going to equate n minus 4 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 4. Like that, I am going to equate this with respect to 0. Equate this with respect to 0. Now, first one will be 0. Now, n is less than 0. Here, n is less than 0. so that x of n will be 0. There is no signal less than n. There is no signal, right? Less than 0. Any signal is there here? With considering n is
No,
equal
sir.
to 0 and n is equal to 4, if n is less than 0, no signal we have, so that x of n is equal to 0. Okay, with respect to first one, less than 0. Now I will consider from 0 to 4. 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 0. Your x of n will be amplitude of this. From 0 to 4, I will take 0 to 4 amplitude of this one. That is
So
u
the
of n
0 less
amplitude
than
will
n
be.
less than or equal to 4.
Oh, sorry. Now I am going to vary from 0 to 4. 0 to 4, x of n amplitude will be considering first one amplitude. Next, I am going to take n greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 4. X of n is equal to, I am going to take greater than the 4. I am going to take greater than the 4. What is my previous output? My previous output is 1. Okay, this 1 will be coming over here. Then now I am going to consider n is greater than 4. After this 4, I am going to consider what is the amplitude of this? That will be minus 1. That is equal to 0. Am I right? See,
Yes, sir.
first I am going to consider this greater than 4. If I am going to consider, I need to take previous output of x of n. What I am going to get, that 1 minus this present value, present amplitude I am going to consider. This will be 0. Now we got 0, 1, 0. What is the limits? If n is less than 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If n is vary from 0 to 4, 0 to 4 will have 1, 1, 1. Then if n is greater than or equal to 4, you are going to get a 0. Sorry, not 4. Across 4 we have a 0. Across 4 we have a 0. See, comparison of these two signal, x of n and x of n, both are same. Both are same.
Yes, sir.
I messed up. 1, 2, 3. From 4 it will be 0. I am going to use this method from next class. I am not using this graphical representation. If it is easy, we can write this. If it is difficult, we can go. Sorry? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, please make a note of this. We'll take attendance. Then we'll continue in the next class. Answer your attendance. Manish D. Manish Kumar.
Present, sir.
Manoj BC.
Present, sir.
Manoj HM.
Present, sir.
Manoj MS. Manoj Deep.
Present, sir.
Panindra.
Present, sir.
Madhusudan Reddy.
Present, sir.
N. Arshita, Sharath,
Present, sir.
Sudra, Neetu Sri, Yamini,
Present, sir.
Nilesh Raj, Nisha,
Present, sir.
Nitin,
Yes, sir.
Omkar Kiran Shet,
Sir.
Harshavardhan Reddy, Devant, Tarun,
Present, sir.
Pawan Kumar C, Prajwal R, Prashant, Priyanka, Pruthvik, Rana, Raghu Kumar,
Present, sir.
Rahul, Rajesh V,
Present, sir.
Ranjit
sir.
V, Ranjita VR, Ruchit,
Sir.
Sagar,
Present, sir.
Khalil Basha,
Present, sir.
Shashank,
Present, sir.
Shishira,
Present, sir.
Shravani,
Present, sir.
Srilekha,
Present, sir.
Shreyanshu,
Present, sir.
Shreyas,
Present, sir.
Surya, Vinila, Tejas, Tejas, Siddhant, Uday Kumar, Venkata Kishore, Vaishnavi,
Present, sir.
Vashita, Vinita,
Present, sir.
Vivek Kumar, Ajay Sagar, Jan Krupa Reddy,
Yes, sir.
Vikas Arvind Reddy,
Present, sir.
Pawan, Nivedita.
Present, sir.
Okay. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.